Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the outer door panel in the Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Torx 20 screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new outer door panel. The outer door panel covers the inner door parts and also serves an aesthetic purpose. The main reason why it should be replaced is if it's bent, badly scratched, or discolored. Open the door. Using the Torx 20 screwdriver, take out 3 screws on each side of the door that holds the outer panel. Slide down and out the panel to remove it. If one or both spaces jumps at you, just put them back. Bend the tabs up slightly and remove the insulation. Now we need to remove the handle from the door panel. Using the Torx 20 screwdriver, take out the 2 screws and the 2 washers and remove the door handle. This is the old outer door panel next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Remove the protective film from the new outer door panel. Place the insulation on the door. Bend the tabs down. Install the handle end caps so the pins on the caps match the other holes in the handle. Let's mount the handle onto the new outer door panel. Then install the screws with the washers. Tighten the screws with a Torx 20 screwdriver. Install the new outer door panel. Slide it up and push it in. Secure it with the 6 Torx 20 screws. And close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.